This is C4's Arctic Snow Cone Zero Sugar Super Brain Performance Energy Drink. If you didn't know, that's the flavor that exists here. Arctic Snow Cone. It tastes like Arctic snow cone. Very, very subjective when it comes to this old C4 Ultimate Energy. Some call outs on this. If you are looking for something that has got upwards of 300 milligrams of what here it says of hard hitting caffeine, this might just be the liquid refreshment for you. It's got 300 milligrams of caffeine, zero sugar, zero artificial dyes, and pretty tasty, I must say. Pre-workout, get your mind right, whatever you want to call it. I don't think you can go wrong with this here C4 Arctic Snow Cone. Pretty tasty. Hope this finds you well, and we'll talk to you soon.